Okay, so yeah, there's me saying hello again, back at the piano, and just sticking on some Spandau Ballet there while I'm tuning the piano. Only joking, obviously you can see the piano on the top, and I'm tuning my piano to this reference MIDI keyboard. I've got like a normal grand piano on there, and I'm just listening to that in my ear and tuning it all up. And I actually had 7 minutes of hyperlapse here because I just went on for ages and ages, and so I thought I'd cut it down a little bit, do a little voiceover. It's going really well. Sadly, all of the notes that I tuned the day before from the lower 4 octaves had slipped, but not much, just as much as you might expect if you brought up, you know, a whole piano for, well, 4 octaves for one semitone. So it's quite a strain on the piano. So I'll have to do another pass. So it sounds absolutely terrible at the moment, but it's actually in much better state than it was before. Hi, so I've got about an octave to go or something, so it was getting a bit hard work. It's quite strenuous really, especially with the angle always moving your left arm. But I thought I'd play just a little bit. It's a bit of a laugh because it's not really sounding as you might hope. What was it playing? Oh, I can't remember what I was playing. So you can sort of imagine where it's going, you know. It's got like, it feels nice. I mean, imagine it tuned up. That's horrible. The majors seem awful. But G minor, it's much better. And that's about where I'm up to. Obviously that's not good. So get in there. It's quite nice up here. So getting there step by step.